Hey, let me ask you a question. Do you think there's too many people selling on Amazon right now? Because that's a common objection people have is, how am I going to sell on Amazon when everyone is selling on Amazon already? And there's not enough people, there's not enough products out there, right? There's too much competition. All these reasons, and I feel they're more excuses than actual logical objections. But look at Starbucks, for instance, right? I'm sitting in Starbucks, beautiful Starbucks, right? If you look around, there's a coffee shop over there. There's a coffee shop right next door. There's a coffee shop right here. Just look at that. It's a coffee shop here, right? Everyone's serving coffee, right? So does that stop Starbucks opening up more stores than ever before? No, it doesn't. Same thing with McDonald's and Burger King, right? There's a lot of places that sell burgers, but there's more people opening up burger stores because they can clearly differentiate their product to other people's products, right? Or they can improve a product or sell something a little bit different, right? So it's the same thing with products on Amazon. There's so many different variations, different modifications. You can sell the product better. You can bundle it with another product. You can actually make your product very different to existing people selling on Amazon. So there's a lot of opportunity out there, guys. Don't limit yourself. There's a lot of opportunities, a lot of products out there that you can jump on. And I want to give you one more example. I'm actually on the Gold Coast right now in Broadbeach, and yesterday I was in an Ola. And you've heard of Ola before, Uber, Ola, Lyft, all these rideshare companies, right? Well, there's a new one coming to market, right? It's called Didi from China. And this one apparently is going to be huge. Now, Uber has lost customers, right? They were the big boys for like a couple of years. Then Ola came, right? And a competitor came, and then suddenly people are leaving Uber to jump on Ola, right? And now, when Didi comes, apparently they're going to be stealing customers from both because their product is a little bit different and it's better. So if you can create a better product, something that you can improve on, something you can bundle, or something you can make different to your other, like customized packaging, your own logos, right? That's how you generate income. That's how you make money on Amazon, essentially. So guys, enjoy the tip. Don't forget, join us at the next workshop. We're running a workshop at the end of this month. I'd love to see you there. Bye-bye for now.